Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to lock WhatsApp on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to lock WhatsApp on phone, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone. And after opening your WhatsApp, guys, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three dotted icon of value for us. Tap on it and tap on the settings. And over here, in order to proceed to lock your WhatsApp, tap on the privacy, and from over here scroll down until you can find there is the app lock option available for us just below the blocked contacts. Tap on app lock, and where it says the unlock with biometric, there is the toggle icon at the right side of it. Tap on that toggle icon at the right side where it says the unlock with biometric and confirm your verification. And over here you can see there it says the automatically unlock option, and over here you can either tap on the show content in notification on or off also, and after that choose the time after which you want the WhatsApp to be locked on your WhatsApp on your phone. And after doing that, let's go back and let's reopen the WhatsApp, and you can see guys the WhatsApp is locked and the security verification is required. Maybe there's a blackout on the camera because it doesn't allow the screen recording to happen. With that being said guys, this is how to lock WhatsApp on your phone, and if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.